bone in our body, and they should not be deteriorating. And if they do have a little decay, they have the ability to heal themselves, as every other body tissue does. So why aren't they healing?
Did you know your teeth have a hidden superpower? They can actually heal themselves. That's right. Those pearly whites aren't just passive structures. They're living, dynamic tissues capable of repair and regeneration. But here's the catch. Most of us have been unknowingly sabotaging this natural healing process our entire lives. Today, we're uncovering the secrets to activating your teeth's self-healing abilities and potentially reversing cavities without drills or fillings. Welcome to a revolutionary approach to dental health that could change the way you think about your teeth forever. We'll explore groundbreaking methods that tap into your body's natural ability to repair tooth decay. From the power of your saliva to surprising benefits of certain foods, we'll cover it all. And stick around until the end for a game-changing tip that could supercharge your dental health routine. It's time to take control of your oral health and unlock your teeth's true potential.
So what are your two superfluids? And these two superfluids are constantly bathing the teeth and nourishing the teeth. One is the internal. So the internal fluid would be your blood and your lymph. And remember what the lymph does, it sweeps away waste from the tissues. And remember what the blood does, it comes along with the nutrition, it comes along with the oxygen, it comes along with the water, the white blood cells. So this internal fluid is bathing from the inside. And your external fluid is your saliva.
Barbara O'Neill, a renowned natural health expert, calls saliva a superfluid, and for good reason. This seemingly simple liquid is actually a complex mixture of minerals, enzymes, and antibacterial compounds that play a crucial role in protecting and repairing your teeth. Your mouth is home to two incredible superfluids: the internal fluid, blood and lymph, that nourishes your teeth from the inside out, and the external fluid, saliva, that bathes your teeth in minerals and protective compounds. These superfluids work tirelessly to maintain your dental health, but their effectiveness depends on the quality of your diet and lifestyle choices. Let's talk about how your teeth actually heal themselves. It's all about a delicate balance between demineralization and remineralization. The power of diet in tooth repair.
And again, their quality is totally dependent on the food you're eating, how much you're drinking, going to bed early, so all of these things. Sugar is one of the worst, because you know what sugar does? It just feeds all those little microbes that are breaking down the things that are caught between your teeth. So those sugary drinks are particularly damaging to the teeth.
What you eat plays a crucial role in your teeth's ability to heal themselves. Foods rich in calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin K. 2 provide the raw materials your teeth need for repair. Crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and celery act as natural toothbrushes, scrubbing away plaque and stimulating saliva production. But it's not just about what you eat. It's also about what you drink. Many people don't realize that their beverage choices can have a significant impact on their dental health. For instance, one user shared their experience of developing cavities in their teens after starting to drink diet sodas regularly. When they switched to tea, which can help remineralize teeth, their cavity problems ceased. It's important to note that sugar is one of the worst offenders when it comes to tooth decay. As Barbara O'Neill points out, sugar just feeds all those little microbes that are breaking down the things that are caught between your teeth. So those sugary drinks are particularly damaging to your teeth. But what if I told you that one of the most powerful tools for reversing tooth decay might already be in your kitchen?
But also oil pull. What's oil pulling? So oil pulling is using coconut oil. It's putting the oil in your mouth and it's swishing. Swish, swish. You might swish for 10, rest for 10, swish for 10 seconds, rest for 10 seconds. It's called oil pulling because it can pull waste out of the tongue. It can pull waste out of the glands under the tongue. It can pull waste out of the blood vessels under the tongue, and then you release that oil out on the grass. Don't release it down the plug hole or you'll plug up your plumbing. And take some water with you and rinse again and release that out.
Oil pulling, an ancient secret for modern smiles. Oil pulling, an ancient Ayurvedic practice, involves swishing oil, usually coconut oil, in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. This simple technique can pull toxins and bacteria out of your mouth, stimulate saliva production, create a cleaner environment for remineralization. Many users have reported impressive results with oil pulling. One person shared that after a month of oil pulling, their dentist was puzzled to find that their receding gums had improved significantly. Barbara O'Neill explains the process. Oil pulling is using coconut oil. It's putting the oil in your mouth and it's swishing. You might swish for 10 seconds, rest for 10 seconds, swish for 10 seconds, rest for 10 seconds. It's called oil pulling because it can pull waste out of the tongue. It can pull waste out of the glands under the tongue. It can pull waste out of the blood vessels under the tongue. Intrigued by oil pulling? Wait until you hear about the next method that's been overlooked by mainstream dentistry for far too long.
Well, when food is caught between the teeth, it basically starts to rot. So what happens then is what causes it to rot is in that moist environment, you've got so many microbes in your mouth, they're coming along to clean it up. And as the bacteria and the yeast start to break down that food between the teeth, they give off a waste, and that waste has the ability to start eating away at the enamel on the teeth.
The xylitol revolution xylitol, a natural sweetener, does more than just replace sugar in your diet. It actually stimulates saliva flow, improves the mineral content of your saliva, reduces the risk of cavities, helps reverse early stages of tooth decay. Xylitol is particularly effective because it creates an environment in your mouth that's inhospitable to harmful bacteria. It's like giving your teeth a protective shield against decay. One user shared their experience. I had large fillings from childhood. In my 60s, I had a couple of teeth crack and had to be pulled. After that, I told my dentist to crown all teeth with large fillings to prevent cracking. My dental insurance fought my approach where I had to write a letter to the insurance company for approval. Glad I did it. Not cheap, but cheaper than having cracked teeth, teeth pulled, then an implant. But what if you're dealing with more advanced decay? Don't worry, there's still hope. The power of pH balance.
Make sure after every meal you rinse your mouth. Rinse your mouth very well. You can rinse it with seawater. You can rinse it with a mixture of sodium bicarbonate water and floss those teeth. Keep them clean. Wow, won't we save a fortune not having to go to the dentist because you're keeping your teeth clean? Especially before you go to sleep at night, because by morning, wow, those microorganisms have had a party in there and they've been able to have a lot of food in between those teeth, and they also have the ability to damage the dentine that covers the teeth.
Maintaining a neutral pH in your mouth is crucial for preventing and reversing tooth decay. Acidic environments promote demineralization, while neutral or slightly alkaline conditions support remineralization. You can help balance your mouth's pH by rinsing with water after meals, chewing sugar-free gum with xylitol, eating alkaline foods like leafy greens. One user shared their experience of healing a cracked canine tooth naturally by focusing on remineralization. They made their own toothpaste using clean pascalite bentonite clay, which is high in minerals, and used activated charcoal daily to remove bad bacteria, plaque, and tartar. After 10 years, their mouth remains healthy and the tooth healed perfectly. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes the importance of rinsing. Make sure after every meal you rinse your mouth very well. You can rinse it with seawater. You can rinse it with a mixture of sodium bicarbonate water and floss those teeth. Keep them clean. The role of stress in dental health. Stress can be a major roadblock to your teeth's healing powers. When you're feeling overwhelmed and anxious, it's like throwing a wrench into the gears of your body's natural repair mechanisms. Stress hormones can disrupt the delicate balance of your superfluids, leaving your teeth vulnerable to decay and damage. Practicing stress reduction techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can have a positive impact on your dental health. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important for your smile as brushing and flossing. Now that we've covered the basics, are you ready for the game-changing tip I promised? Here's the bonus tip that could revolutionize your dental health routine. Make your own remineralizing toothpaste using clean Pascalite bentonite clay and activated charcoal. This DIY approach provides minerals for remineralization, removes bad bacteria and plaque, avoids harmful ingredients found in conventional toothpastes that can actually prevent remineralization. By making this simple switch, you could potentially see significant improvements in your dental health within months or even weeks. Many users have reported that this homemade toothpaste not only improved their dental health, but also eliminated bad breath and the white stringies often seen in the morning, which are caused by ingredients in conventional toothpastes that prevent remineralization. One user shared their experience. I started making my own toothpaste with clean Pascalite bentonite clay, the only clean bentonite found in the earth, which is high in minerals, and started using activated charcoal every day to clean my mouth and remove the bad bacteria, plaque, tartar. Funny that our ancestors used charcoal to brush their teeth. Over 10 years later, my mouth is still healthy. The tooth healed perfectly, though I can see the old crack in a 15 by magnifying mirror. I haven't had any issues since. Bad breath is a memory. Remember, healing takes time and consistency is key. Start implementing these strategies today and give your teeth the chance to heal naturally. Share your experiences in the comments below. Your story could inspire others. If you found this information valuable, please like and subscribe for more natural health tips. Until next time, keep smiling and keep healing. As Barbara O'Neill wisely said, teeth should not be deteriorating, and if they do have a little decay, they have the ability to heal themselves as every other body tissue does. So, start implementing these strategies today, give your teeth a chance to heal naturally, and remember that a healthy mouth is the gateway to overall health.